Yes? Look at everybody. Marla. Yes, honey. You thirsty? Mama. Mommy. Come on, look. Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. I'm a bit late to this challenge. This is about to be the full face while holding a baby challenge. I think that's what it's called. But I haven't done a video with Marla in a while and I wanted to do this video because I saw my girl Cherie's Love do this video with baby London and it was so friggin' cute. I'm gonna have Cherie's video linked down below and you can watch hers. I was wondering, you know, what it would be like trying to do my makeup with Marla in my hand, and guys, that's a challenge for two reasons. One, she's heavy. She looks small to most people, but she's really heavy. And two, she is like legit do what I feel like type of baby. Like she would chill, but only if she really wants to chill. She's now 9 months old and she's a bit more attentive, but at the same time she still just wants to do what she wants to do. I thought it would be cool to just kind of try to create a fall inspired makeup look with Marla in my hand. So it was a struggle, but it came out pretty much the vision that I had for myself. A semi-cut crease. What is it? So it's like a semi-cut crease matte eye with just gold, not gold, emerald shimmer in the tear duct, because you don't know, like fall is all about like olives and plum colors and, you know, just colors like that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can join the family. And yeah, we look forward to doing more videos together. So if you guys want that, thumbs up this video and let me know down below in the comment section. You gonna tell everybody bye-bye? Bye-bye? Bye. Bye. See you later, guys. She wants to go. Keep on watching if you guys want to see how I created this look with Marla in my hand, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace. Alright guys, so I started off with my eyebrows. For the most part, she was kind of chill. She just wanted to play and just, you know, kind of taking what I'm doing. And I'm so glad I wore this necklace because it distracted her basically the whole time. She was fascinated by the necklace. She just wanted to shake it and all of that. So I'm just doing her brows. But I couldn't really say what I was doing because I was so far away from the mirror. So I was just feeling through this part, guys. Like my brows looked jacked up at the end of the day, but I mean, I tried. So I'm just putting on the concealer, you know, to clean up the brows and whatever. I tried to do the shortest methods to make sure that I could actually make it work. And that it was at this point I realized that Marla is super heavy, so I was like, alright, we need for her finish. So I started blending out the concealer all over my lids to put the shadows down and all of that. And you guys already know how I do my makeup, so I was just trying to follow the same steps and make sure that I could move as quickly as possible. Now I took that reddish brown from this Santi Adorable Beauty Secrets palette and I started to put that color in my crease, guys. Everything kept falling, it was ridiculous. So I started to put a color in my crease and she was like, can I hold this? Can I hold this, mommy? And I was like, okay, cool, you know, hold it. But then she just jammed her fingers down in the eyeshadow and literally got eyeshadow all under her fingernails, and I was like, look, no, okay, let me just finish and then we can decide what you can do next. So I got this Profusion contour palette and I wanted to use that dark brown all over my lid because I wanted a smoky eye. And putting on the shadow, Marla was like, look, I need something, what is going on? Like, that's you in the mirror? Okay, cool. So she was trying to look in the mirror and just try to entertain herself. She usually just always tries to entertain herself. I love that about her. So while I was holding it, she was trying to eat the necklace and all that stuff. I was like, okay, you need something, let me see, do you want this puppy? So I gave her the puppy, but she was like, no, I want a brush, mommy, give me a brush. So I gave her this brush and then she was like, okay, cool, I got a brush. She wanted to play brush wars with me and I was like, okay, let's play brush wars. But then I had to finish this look, so I was just trying to hurry through it, and she was working with me for the most part, but she just really wanted to play brush wars. So, and then she really wanted to just eat the brush. So At this point I was like, okay, no, you can't eat the brush, baby, you cannot eat the brush. So he was like, okay, let me play with this necklace, let me do something, can I smack you, can I do something, you know. She was just really getting bored, and I was just hurrying my way through to finish so that I could, you know, like just entertain her. Doing my liquid liner was like such a serious step, and at this point she was totally over the headband, so tormented, trying to eat the necklace, trying to get the headband off. Marla tends to be very irritated when it comes out to headbands. Like, she's just like, yo, take this off from me, take it off, like, no. So I have to be working with her when it comes on to her headbands, because she just gets very annoyed. But yeah, mama is really heavy, guys. She's really heavy. And yeah, she just learned how to do one, like just to point the finger one, so she loves doing it all the time. Yeah, so she's just like, take this headband off, get it off of me, I'm hot. And as you guys can see, she's actually sweating, and it's really hot in the room, so she just really wanted to be out. So after a while I was like, look, okay, I see you're tormented, let me just take the headband off, you know. Yeah, let me take it off. So I took that off, and she was kind of chilling after that. I'm putting on this foundation from L'Oreal, and I mixed that with my Dry Liner 2-in-1. And I'm just kind of mixing the colors, because as you guys can see, one is way too yellow, and I messed up my brows, guys. I was just trying not to let her touch it. She was so interested in touching the foundation and just getting her hands in everything, and I had to be like, no, Marla, no. So I'm blending out the foundation now, and yeah, just trying to make it look as flawless as I possibly can under the circumstances. After applying the foundation, I do need to highlight my face, so I'm just trying to find everything, you know, to get the job done. I use my Other Girl Pro concealer to highlight my face, guys, and I don't know, I just love applying a lot of this stuff because it really works out. So you guys see that face? That face is the what is you doing? I am done, I'm over it, please hurry up. So at this point I was just, you know, blending out that concealer. My sponge wasn't even damp anymore, but I just had to work with it, and I'm just blending that out. I don't know, I just love the way this concealer just blends out, guys. And we actually had the TV on, so Marla was watching, I think it was Tom and Jerry. She was watching Tom and Jerry while trying to annoy me at the same time together. So I'm just setting all of my face, and my baby's there looking all bald. I cannot wait for her to grow hair, guys. Like, it's going to be crazy. But yeah, so she's just there watching everything I do. Yeah, so right now she's watching the TV, and I'm putting on my lipstick. This is actually Dose of Colors Salem lipstick, and I put that on first because I was going for something berry / plum, and I had no idea where I was going. So I applied Maroon Masquerade from Makeup Monsters. I applied that on top of the Salem from Dose of Colors, and I have no idea how the hell I got lipstick in my mouth, guys. I got lipstick in my mouth, so crazy. Has that ever happened to anybody? Comment down below and tell me. It was the first time it happening to me. But then I went over with this Milani lipstick. Yeah, so now I'm using that same Fenty dupe as my highlighter for this look. And if you guys haven't seen the Fenty dupe video for this highlighting thing, then go ahead and just click the link on the screen and check the description bar below. Guys, this is supposed to be my new friggin' favorite highlighter. Like, I swear, from this point on, probably until the rest of the year, I'm gonna be highlighting with this thing because it's bananas. And I'm just putting the Emerald from the Miss Doozy Party and Bridal and Party palette, that's what it's called. Yeah, I'm just putting that into the tear duct and just, you know, putting on some lashes. And I was like, baby, hold this for me, you know. So she was holding my lash case. She's so helpful, I love her. So she was holding my lash case, you know, so that I could put the lashes on, and she started crying like, okay, just give me that back, I was helping you, give me that back though. So I gave it back to her, and I just put one lash on at a time, and she was just cool about it, guys, so helpful. Yeah, she just always wants to have something in her hand, you know, so she can so-called help me out. But yeah, she just wants to be touching something. That's all she wants to be doing. And of course, she's always interested to put everything into her mouth. So anyways, we made it, guys. We completed the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a big thumbs up if you like it, and drop us a comment down below of any other video that you want us to do together. Do not forget to subscribe to us also, and follow the social media sites to see other pictures of us and all that good stuff. So you guys already know we love you guys so much. Thanks for all the love. See you guys in the next video, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.